So today we are going to learn about CSS. So let me write some code inside the body tag. Let us write the h1 tags. We are printing hello world. Let's make one more tag. I am copying and pasting it. So here we have two h1 tags. Let me change the text inside second h1 tag. Let's say it is bye bye and first one is hello world. Now what we want to do, we want to apply some CSS inside these both tags. So what we will do, first we will write the tag name on which we want to apply the CSS. So we want to apply the CSS inside the h1 tag. So I will write h1 and this is body of h1. It means whatever properties I will write here inside these braces, it will be applied to the h1 tag. So it's simple up to here. So here we write properties. So I am writing the color property. This is separated by colon. Here it is attribute. Here we have value of this attribute. Let us say pink. So what it means that when this HTML document starts, then it will go to body. After going to body, this will be executed. When this tag will be executed, what will happen? This h1 tag is mentioned here inside the style tag. Style tag is used for CSS. Now this h1 tag will get these properties, means color pink. So this text will be changed to pink color. So similarly this is also an h1 tag. So this tag will also apply this property inside its text. So this text will also get pink colored. So both the h1 tags gets pink colored because we have applied CSS by tag name. And for applying the tag name, CSS by tag name, we just write the tag name here and just give it some properties like color. We will give some other properties later. Let's see the output. Just click here on bold button. Let's see how it looks. Oh sorry, I think I have not saved it. Let's save this and check it out. See, bye bye and hello world both are pink. Now if we want to change the color of this one, now you will say that we will change the tag name to h2 and here also h2, and we will write h2 tag name with different color property. So color blue. This is semicolon which is used to end up the property. So semicolon is used at last so as to terminate or end the property. Here you can also see semicolon. This is syntax. Okay, now see that this h2 tag will be C. It's by blue color. But if we don't want to change the tag, like here it's h1 tag, here it's h2 tag, both have different properties. It will have the greater text, as we can see here h1 is greater and h2 text is smaller. So we want both with the h1 tag. Then what we will do in such a condition, if both is same tag but we want both with different colors, if we will write like this, then it will apply this property on all the h1 tags. So what we do in this case, we just assign classes. So we will give class equals to, like this we define the class for this h1 tag. We can give any class name, it's up to you. So we are giving anything, you can give like box1. I am giving box1 and class equals to box2 or xyz or abc, anything you can give. Now rather than assigning any property by tag name, now we will assign properties by class name. So for assigning it by class name, what we write, we just put a dot and then we write class name on which we want to apply the properties inside here. So I have written dot. This dot is used to specify that it is a class, or we can say it is used for telling CSS that this box 1 is not a tag, not a ID, it's a class. If it was a ID like this ID, then I have to write hash here. So hash is used to define that it's a ID. If you will not write hash in ID and don't write dot in class, then it will consider it as a tag, that it's a tag. And we know that box 1 is not any tag in HTML, so we have to write hash or we have to write dot. So let's say now we are just doing it with class, so I have to write dot here. So dot box 1 is pink colored, so this pink color now applied to only this text. Okay, so let's see only this is pink now. Hello world is pink, bye bye is, it's in default color is black. Now see, I want to apply blue in bye bye. So how I will apply, I will write class name here dot box 2. I have used dot because it's a class, and I will assign a property color blue to it, and I will save it, then I will run it. Then you can see that it's a blue color now and it's a pink color now. So the class concept is used in CSS so that we can separate same tags, like this is h1 and this is also h1. We can separate both and we can assign different properties. Like if we want to assign, like for example, there is one more h1 tag, it has some text, that is I am h1 tag. Now let's say we want to give some different property or some different color or any different property, so we will make a different class like this box 3. Let me write it below as it looks good. And now see dot box 3, and we will write some property inside here for box 3. So I am giving the color property again, and I am giving it red color. So let's see it's a red color. Okay, but see, if I want that both this h1 tag will look same, means both will have the same CSS property, so what I will do, let's say I want to apply this box 2 means color blue property to both. So I will just write like this, I will give similar classes to both of the h1. Here we can see class equals to box 2, and here also we can see class equals to box 2. So now what will happen, it will check here and it will see that box 2 have a color property of blue, so it will make both of the text bye bye and I am in h1 tag, both will be colored blue. So let's see, both have blue color. So this is concept of class inside CSS. This is called as internal CSS. We have also inline and external CSS, we will look it in later tutorials. So let me show you, let me remove box 3 because box 3 classes, we are not using any box 3 classes here. So let me show you some other properties. For example, font size, this property is to use for sizing a text. See this font size, let me give it 20 pixel. This is given in pixel, it has some value like we can start from 1 pixel to any number, and we can specify it in pixels. Pixel is the smallest part of the screen which lighten up. So where is box 2? We can see here is box 2 in this tag and in this tag. So this property of font size 20 pixel will be apply on these two text only, bye bye and I am in h1 tag. So let's see it's a 20 pixel. Let me give it more, for example like 90 pixel. So see, it's now 90 pixel. Both are of equal sizing text because both get the same size. See, same font size here, same font size. So like this, there are many properties in CSS, we will look them later. So this is concept of class. Like this we can assign classes. As we have seen, we can also give same class name for more than one tag. Like we have given class box2 class box2 for two tags. Now it is not only for h1 tag, it will be the CSS will be applied for all the tags. We can give class to any tag. For example, if we talk about p tag, or if we talk about I tag, it means it makes italic text. If we talk about b tag, used for bolding the text. If we talk about input tag, form tag, in any tag we can apply CSS. So let me write some class here. Class equals to, I can give it the class name which I have defined in these tags. I mean box1 box2, because more than one, as I have mentioned earlier, that more than one tag have the same class, can have same class, or it may have different class. So that's why, let me write some text here. I am in p tag, I am in I tag. Similarly for this, I am in b tag. Let's save this. Now let's say I want to give it the similar properties. I want to give it a class name as box1. If I will give it the class name box1, I can see that with the class name box1 I have already given here some properties, that is color pink. So I can expect that this text will be in pink color, and these both tags have no classes and no ID and nothing in the styling. No I tag, no b tag here. So it will be default in black color. Let's see here, we can see this is pink color, this is in pink color, and these both tag, this is italic one I tag, and this is b tag, this is b tag. Let me give it this box2, give it box 4, give it box 4, let me give to this, and this box 3. We can give it any name. I am giving it box 3, box 1, box 2, like this. So now I can see that this box 2, this is also box 2, this is also box 2 class. So as expected, that all these three tags should have same CSS. so it should look like same in styling. Now this is box 3 tag and this is box 4 tag, but here we have not defined any box 3 and box 4 tag, so there will be no change in these two tags, I and b tag, up to when we will not apply some styling by defining its class name. So first box 3, and let's give it some color. Similarly for box 4, let's change to another color. Now see, these three tags look similar because these three tags are in same class, that is box 2 class, and this is box 3 class, and this is box 4 class. Let me bigger their font. So for box 3, font size, let me give it 50 pixel. Similar for this, font size 50 pixel. Let's save this and let's see. So if you want, both are coming in same line, so let's separate them. Just write br tag here. This is used to break the line. Now if you will see, both are in different lines. This is I am in I tag, I am in b tag. Both have different properties, different form, because of different classes. See, both have different classes. We can give any properties here, we can give any properties in this class as well, and it will be applied where I will specify the class as box 3, and this properties will be applied in that tag where I will specify the class as box 4. Let me show you some other properties. Let's say font family, let's say I want it to be monospace. Box 4, where is box 4? Box 4 is in this, it means last one. See, now it is monospacing. As we can see, there is space of one word. So like this we can apply more properties here. Like this is text align. Let me give this property. This is used for aligning the text. I am giving it center. Now what will happen? The class with box 4 having some text, which is I am in b tag. Here is class 4 box 4, class named as box 4. So I have applied here 4 properties: color, font size, font family, text align. So all these property will be applied where? Here. So now this last property is text align center. It means whatever text is written inside the class box 4 will be shifted to the center. So let's see. What happens. Wait a minute. As we can see that this text is still here, so you will think why it is not shifted to center, because the scope of this tag is up to here only. If the scope of this tag is from here to up to here, then its center is here, then this text will be in center, but this tag scope is only this one, so it is already in center of itself. So let me show you how long it is. So give its background color. Let me give it green. See here, I am separating. If there are two words, then we separate it by hyphen. This symbol is called as hyphen symbol. Like here also I have separated it with hyphen symbol, here also, here also. So if the property name has two words, then we separate it by hyphen. See, now it's in green color. Its width is from here to here only. It's in green color now. If I will change its background color to blue, see, now it's blue. Let's say I copy this background color, paste in box 1. Let's see, this completely is now blue. So this tag, which tag is this? Box 1. Where is box 1? Box 1 is applied here. So this tag has a width of whole screen. What I mean by this, I mean that this tag is taking the complete screen from this pixel to this last pixel. That's why it's completely green. But as we can see here, I have cut it. As we can see here that this tag has not taken the whole screen, it has taken only the screen according to its text. So but here this h1 tag takes complete screen or complete line, so this complete line is for h1 tag. So if here we will apply text align to center, then this hello world text should be in the center here. So let's see. So this is box 1. I am applying text align to center in box 1. Box 1 class. Where is box 1 class? Here is box 1 class. What is written inside it? Hello world. So hello world will shifted in center. See, it is shifted in center. So this is all about for now. We will see more videos on it. So bye bye.